Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't know. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm bringing you guys a video on everything you need to make your first cake topper. Everything from the Cricut maker to the tools you need, like as small as these tapes and everything. So you guys know I'm not a professional crafter or anything, but if you've been following me for a while, I came from Ukraine and then I came to Ireland, and in Ireland, it's a whole different ball game if you're going to run a successful cake business, yeah? So one of the first things I realized was, in Ukraine, if you wanted to buy a cake, if you wanted to make a cake for someone and you wanted to make a cake topper, you can order a cake topper and get it the next day, and it is not ridiculously expensive. It's like maybe 1/10 of the price of the cake most times. But here, sometimes like 1/3 the price of the cake. I'm not even kidding. And then the most frustrating part for me is usually the shipping, because sometimes when they send it, sometimes it takes up to like 6-7 days to get to you, and you can't track it. And even when they use expedited shipping, expedited shipping is pretty expensive, like 17 euros just to send. Then it takes like 2 to 3 business days. Business days, guys, I'm not even kidding. So it's like a whole hassle. So one of the things I figured out at first is, if I'm going to run my cake business here, I need to be able to do my things at home. It might cost me a lot of money at first, but in the long run it will pay off. So hence I bought a Cricut maker, and then I bought some stuff. I watched a lot of videos to see all the things I'm going to need to make my cake toppers, like different kinds of cake toppers, the vinyl, the acrylic and stuff. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So when you buy a Cricut maker, it just comes as a Cricut maker. I think it has just the cutter and then some instruction manuals inside. And I made a video for you guys on unboxing this, so I'm going to put the link right up here if you want to see that. You should go see it. And if you want to buy any of these things, from the Cricut to all of these tools, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can buy on Amazon.co.uk or on Amazon.com. So getting started, yeah, when you buy this, it comes alone, so it's left to you to buy all of this. And if you're not a crafter, you're going to be wondering, what do I need to buy? What do I need to make the topper? And that's what I'm bringing you guys today. So I bought a bunch of this stuff. I think I spent almost maybe 600 euros. I'm not sure. So the very first and the most important are these tools. I don't know what they are called, but it has this scissors, it has like a tweezer and something to lift your toppers when you make them and stuff. I'm not really sure what they're called, but this is the tool, yeah. I think this is like maybe 30 something euros. The link is in the description box. I'm not sure how much any of these things are. And then I bought this tape. This tape is for you to stick your papers, especially if you're printing acrylic or a heavy paper, onto your mat. So speaking of mat, this is your mat. And bear in mind, if you buy a Cricut 3, it says that you can make stuff with it without a mat. But I can't find any videos online of maybe people making without a mat. And since I'm going to be watching YouTube videos to make these things, so I decided, okay, let me just buy a mat. And it was like, I think it was like 20 something euros. It didn't cost that much. And so I bought this set of mats, and in this set it has 3 different ones. It has the standard grip, which is the green one. It has the light grip, and then it also has the strong grip. This strong grip is for if you want to print, if you want to cut something like acrylic, thick papers, like thick cardstock and really thick and stuff. This is for if you want to cut like maybe vinyl and stuff. This is just for regular cutting, like papers, cardstock and everything. So this set comes with 3: the green, which is standard, the blue, which is the light grip, and then the strong grip, which is the purple one. So if you're going to, let's say you wanted to cut acrylic, you're going to be needing a tape like this. From all the videos I've watched, I've not actually cut acrylic. So you're going to be needing a tape like this to stick the acrylic onto the strong grip, so it doesn't move when you're cutting, basically. So I'm taking to making a different video for you guys on how I made my first cake topper and everything. So if you're looking to see that, just stay tuned on this channel. So this, yeah, this. And then I also bought this. This is all like when you're making a topper, they are tiny squares. See, you can use it to stick on top of the second layer so that it can be slightly elevated, so it will look really pretty and stuff. So this was like maybe €1. I don't think this is on Amazon. I couldn't find it on Amazon, so I bought it from the shop in the city center. So this is not included in the links below. So this one of the tapes I bought. This is the double-sided tape, you know, just to stick your your papers together and everything. Yeah, just several double-sided tapes. This is nothing special. Okay, so for this one, I think this is called the applicator and remover set. So let me open this so you can see. Where's my knife? Okay, so see, don't know. Okay, so basically, yeah, this is what's inside. This is the applicator and this is the remover set. Like when you're maybe making your toppers. Basically, I don't know how these things are used, but I'll make a different video for you guys when I'm making my first topper, yeah? So if you're new to this as well, you're welcome. And then I bought some glitter cardstock for, you know, this has several colors in it, yeah? I don't think it's just gold. Yeah, this has 5 gold and 5 silver. The link is in the description box below in case you want to make, you know, fans or all those really nice toppers with glitter stuff. This is silver and gold, yeah? And then this one, I think this is just black. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah. This is just black. This is the glossy black. So I bought like a set. It has 50 in it. This is just black. This is regular cardstock for black and glossy for toppers. I just bought the things I thought I might need. And then this is, you know, just double what's it called? Photo paper, the matte one, in case maybe I want to print maybe like a figure on top of the topper and I want to stick it on. Let's say like I want to make a teddy bear picture or maybe a photo or something. I can print it on my regular printer and then just stick it on the topper. Okay, so this is cardstock as well. These are the mirror cards and I think this comes in different colors. Yeah, let me show you guys. I've shown you guys the white and gold, the silver and gold, and also the glossy black. But this one is just like several different colors, yeah? 2 of each. See, this is rose gold, and then this is the shiny red. And then there is purple, and then there is blue. I think that's green, and then blue. You know, just and black and gold. Just like 10 different colors of mirror cardstock for you know. And then I also bought this. This is just, you know, the same thing as the other one. Just I bought 2 of those. Okay, so moving on. This is gold. I use a lot of gold in my cake decorating, if you guys have noticed. So this is just gold cardstock, and this has 60 in a pack. See, this is really pretty. I use this a lot. If you've seen my cakes, like, you know, like I use this a lot. But I didn't used to make it myself. Someone used to make them for me, so I'm going to learn to make them myself. Okay, so these are like glitter cardstock made by Cricut. So I don't know why I bought this. Because it's the same thing with those other ones, but it's just larger though. I don't know why I bought this because it was pretty expensive. So I don't advise you buy this. I think it's the same thing with this one. So if you can buy these ones are a lot cheaper. So just buy it. This is just different colors of cardstock, and I think it has 10 in it. Red, blue, dark blue, green, and red, pink, I guess. So basically just glitter cardstock as well. And then I bought this pastel colored cardstock. Yeah, I think this was the reason why I bought this. Because I wanted something like if I'm making a cake for a baby. I use a lot of pastel colors for babies and stuff. So let me show you guys what it is. So basically it's just, you know, this pastel colors. This 1, 2, 3, 4, like a green, a blue, a pink, and then a yellow. That's all. So these are all the things you're going to be needing to make your first cake toppers, yeah? And you don't have to buy all of them. Let's say, for example, you just want to make a cake topper with glitter cardstock. Just buy only glitter cardstock and these other things. You don't have to buy all these other ones. But I just decided, since I'm learning and I can afford it, let me just, you know, buy this and then start learning to use them afresh. That way I can make different ones and different styles and, like, you know, play around with it basically. So guys, that's all you're going to be needing to make your first cake topper, including your Cricut maker, yeah? So I'm going to make another video for you guys soon on how to make your first cake topper. So we're going to make my first cake topper with all of these tools together. So I think if you have about $600, you can afford all of these things. I think so. And to save you a lot of money in the long run, because cake toppers are not cheap, and then you're going to learn a new skill. It's a win-win. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and if you have questions for me, and or if you are a crafter and you know like somebody I can watch on YouTube that makes really nice easy videos for beginners, you can, you know, just comment in the comment section. But I'm going to learn to use this, and then I'm going to come back and teach you guys, and you know, that's what I do. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, because I love making videos for you guys, and I really missed you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.